Okay, this is my major presentation for Math 106. So this is the recipe that I got, potato salad, and it feeds 6 people. So the problem that I've chosen to convert for you is the dry mustard. So the original recipe called for 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, and that amount will make a serving size for 6 people. So we don't know how many teaspoons it's going to take to feed 200 people, so that's what we're going to figure out. So you just set up a proportion. So 2 teaspoons feeds 6 people, and we want to know how many teaspoons is going to feed 200 people. So you're going to multiply the denominators, then you're going to multiply each side of the equation by the denominators here, and you get 6 times 200 on each side. You cancel out the 6, cancel out the 200, and so down here you end up with 200 times 2, which is 400, is equal to 6x. Divide each side by 6, so you're going to need 66.67 teaspoons. So we don't want to leave the problem there. We want to convert the problem from teaspoons to tablespoons. So down here I have 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. So you're just going to set up another proportion, 66.67 teaspoons over we don't know how many tablespoons is equal to 3 teaspoons over 1 tablespoon. Multiply the denominators and then cancel out and multiply across, and you come out to 66.67 equals 3x. Divide each side by 3, and you're going to end up with 22.22 tablespoons. That's still a lot of tablespoons, so now I'm going to convert tablespoons to cups. So if you look over here, you'll have 2 tablespoons equals 1 ounce, and 1 ounce equals 8 ounces equals 1 cup. So you multiply 2 times 8, and you're going to find out that 16 tablespoons equals 1 cup. So 22.2 tablespoons over how many cups, that's what we want to find, is equal to 16 tablespoons over 1 cup. Multiply the denominators by each other, multiply each side of the equation by that amount, and you come out to 22.22 equals 16x. Divide each side by 16, so x equals 1.39 cups. So what I did is I rounded this up to 40, so I made it 1 and 40 over 100 because this is in the 100th place, and then I just reduced this 40 over 100 down to 2/5. So you're going to need 1 and 2/5 cups of dry mustard to make the amount to feed 200 people. So to feed an army, that's the 200 people, you're going to need potatoes, vinegar, eggs, butter, heavy cream, chopped parsley, onions, dried mustard, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So this is the shopping list I made at the Market Street here in Lubbock. So you're going to need 8 10-pound bags of potatoes and 1 5-pound bag, a gallon of vinegar, 12 dozen eggs, a package of butter, you're going to need 2 sticks for the recipe, 8 quarts of heavy cream, 4 pounds of fresh parsley, 5 onions, 2 containers of the dry mustard, 1 pound of salt, and 3.4 ounce container of the black pepper, and the small container of the cayenne pepper. And so that's all.